not sure what level of hell I have reached. I went to use my bathroom and I sat down on my toilet and pulled out the toilet paper, as one does. I used the toilet paper. I brought up the toilet paper after using it. And an earwig crawled out of the toilet paper that I had just put near everything that God gave me. I threw the now soiled toilet paper. And I said, this isn't really happening. This did not actually occur. And I looked down and the earwig crawled out of the toilet paper that had just been on my nether regions. Do y'all know what an earwig is? Do you? The little thing with pinchers? How does one explain to a medical provider that a bug bit them on their coochie from toilet paper in their own home?